How to set auto reply in Outlook. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can set the auto reply in Outlook app, as well as if you're using the web version, I'm going to show you in the web version also. So guys, when you're not in the office, or if you're going to on leave, so how you can set the auto reply in Outlook, I will show in this video tutorial. Okay, so guys, before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So first we are going to on my app. So this is my Outlook app, you can see. So how you can set the auto reply here, go to the file, and here you can see the option called the, okay, go to the Hotmail, and here you can see, okay, I'm using the Hotmail, and go to the auto replies option. So click on it. Okay, so this window will be open, and this is you can see the auto reply for the Hotmail. So click on send the automatic reply. You can also set the time, start time and end time for your auto reply. So I just suggest you set the auto reply for just send the auto reply, or as I told you, you can set the time, start time, end time, but I'm only set the auto reply only. So now you can change the font from here. Now you can write the mail or format of your auto reply. So I just write, hello, I am out of office till 15th May, so kindly send your urgent emails to XYZ. Okay, so you can write anything, so you just set whatever you want here, and you can change the font, bold, whatever you want. And here you can set the rules also. Go to the rules, and you can set the rules as per requirement. Okay, so here go to the add the rules, and you can set the when the message arrive that meets the following condition. So you can select the condition, means you can select the condition, you can select the email ID, means from this email ID, if you get this mail, then it will be sent to this email ID. So you have to send the set the email ID also, or send them directly to me, copy, CC. There is a lots of perform the action. You can also select the action and just click on OK. And after done everything, just click on OK. So your the out of office will be on. And when you come back again, so here you can see, when you open your Outlook, you will see this highlight, and now you can just turn off it. If you want, you can turn off from here. Okay, that is how you can set the auto reply in Outlook. Now I'm going to show you the in web. So guys, in web version, you have to go in setting, gear icon, and very bottom just find out view all Outlook setting here. Under the emails, you will see the option called automatic reply. Under the automatic reply, okay, it is not loading, unable to load settings. I have to refresh. Okay, let me show you. So guys, my setting is not loading. I don't know what is the problem, but you can set the auto reply from here. This is very simple. Just click on this automatic reply here, and you have to enable your automatic reply. You have to set your format, and you can also set here automatic reply for web version. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.